Hello everyone, I'm Zhenan from CDB Education Consulting in Frankfurt, Germany. It's my great honor to give a brief introduction on digitalization of corporate learning in China. It's also my first time to speak in English to people from all over the world. Of course, some of you are already China experts. I will start with an overview of digitalization in China, then I will show you the development of digital education industry with focus on corporate learning and introduce three players in corporate learning in details. Finally, I would give you some ideas which chances you could have as a European provider of digital corporate learning. Let me start with some general information on digitalization in China. Maybe you are familiar with this logo here. This app called WeChat is the most popular all-in-one app in China, which integrates all functions such as messages and calls, pictures, payment, social media, and so on. It's an app for daily life as well as for business. Also, digital learning is possible thanks to mini program and subscription. Maybe you have also used or heard of this program. We pay in China with Alipay, order meals 24 hours a day using Meituan. If you would like to get papers transferred, just call FlashX. It will be dealt within 1 or 2 hours. Xiaomi builds with intelligent equipment smart home. Now let me introduce some industrial providers of AI technology. Besides Alibaba and Tencent, there are also corporates concentrating on AI-based products and services. For example, SenseTime has developed products for smart city, intelligent automobile, and education. Deep Blue provides intelligent mobile restaurants and robots for diverse situations. iFlyTech helps people with AI solutions to communicate easier. So, now let us have a look at sorry. Now let's have a look at the education industry. In the year 2000, digitalization of education industry started in China with the first distance higher education institutes. Since 2013, more and more pay-for-knowledge platforms have been established. Also, new technologies are applied to develop individual training programs, and thanks to AI, new business models without real teacher could be developed. And this year, COVID-19 has accelerated the development of digitalization of education industry. As you see, users of digital education has doubled during the corona pandemic. The biggest target groups are primary and middle school students as well as university students due to online teaching in the beginning of the year. Now I would like to show you some corporate groups in Chinese education industry. TAL is the most important provider in K-12 education, that means kindergarten through 12th grade. And Youdao is a typical internet enterprise providing different solutions for adult education and language trainings. Where XT is a solution provider for corporate learning. Here you get an overview of AI-based product types and some use cases. We help teachers with intelligent correction to get homework corrected or parents to guide their children at home. Intelligent tutor will be integrated to help students learn music instruments such as piano. If you are interested in detailed case studies, please let me know after this presentation. So now let's talk about digital corporate learning in China. As we can see, about 77% Chinese corporates have a digital learning strategy. 63% use digital learning solutions to train new employees, and 61% clerk and about 59% middle and upper level management. And the main application scenarios of digital corporate learning are O&O learning programs, examinations, and knowledge management. Now let's come back to YXT. One of the top providers in China for digital learning with integrated AI technologies. YXT has three main parts: cloud platform, cloud content, and cloud services, all AI based. For example, with help of data processing, the platform can analyze competence model, brand data, and personal interest to make content recommendations and individual learning plan. So here are interfaces of YXT. Mobile learning apps are also popular in China. It makes learning possible and convenient on the way to work or back home. And and now let we come to the next provider, an AI-driven company helping corporates to digitalize their learning systems. For example, intelligent tutor system will be used in sales talk training, micro emotion analysis for service quality evaluation. Here on the right side is a showcase of sales talk training. As you see, the talk will be recorded and analyzed automatically. Finally, I would like to give you three ideas which chances you have on the Chinese market. First, Chinese enterprises are interested in European expertises. That means you might work together with Chinese partners to get your expertise digitalized and delivered to Chinese customers. Second, you could cooperate with Chinese technological partners to provide new learning experience for European customers. Finally, exchange in didactical concepts could also be interesting for both sides. That's all of my presentation. Thank you for your attention. And if you have any questions, just write me an email or you can also find me on LinkedIn. Thank you again and goodbye.